On the right side of my screen, you will see a scene that involves 3 characters. Period. Character A, character B, and character C. Period. In the next couple days, I will be asking you to perform this scene in front of the class in English. Period. While the rest of your class works on emotions, period, I want you to work on just speaking the language clearly. Period. In this video, I will be reading the words to you to help you listen and then to learn to say the words yourself. Period. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Period. Would you look at that? I know, right? I have never seen anything like that before. What are we going to do? What can we do? Let me just think for a moment. I think we need to tell someone. What would we say? There are no words to describe it. That. I know, right? Right. Right. You can play that example as many times as you wish. Make sure to take note to the sounds that are made and the words that are expressed. If you have any questions, please ask me.